Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can use Wise to buy Bitcoin. So let's jump right into it. First, open your Wise account on the app or website and make sure you have funds in your balance. If not, add money using your bank, debit card, or other available method. Now, Wise doesn't directly sell Bitcoin, so you'll need a crypto exchange that accepts Wise bank transfers, such as Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. Create and verify your account on your chosen exchange. Go to the exchange's deposit section and choose bank transfer as your payment method. Copy the bank details provided by the exchange. Next, return to Wise, go to Send Money, select the exchange's currency account, and enter the deposit details exactly as shown. Double-check the reference or payment ID so your funds are credited correctly. Once your money arrives in the exchange account, go to Buy or Sell, select Bitcoin, enter the amount, and confirm your purchase. That's it, you've now used Wise to buy Bitcoin.